Hi, welcome to parts 1, 2 and 3 of skate maintenance. In this video, I'll take you through the tools and spare parts that you'll need to maintain your skates well. To start with, you might like to use a pair of gloves to protect your hands from the grease and dirt. You'll need a soft cloth, a brush to remove excess debris, an oil-based lubricant, a hex tool or skateboard tool. This one has 3 different sizes to fit various parts of your skate. A Phillips screwdriver or a flathead screwdriver, depending on what you need to fit your toe stop. To replace your toe stop, you'll need to unscrew the existing toe stop using whichever tools required and screw the new toe stop in its place. Some toe stops like this one don't require a tool. They can just be screwed in directly and hand tightened. Once it's in place, it should be nice and secure. You may like to do a quick check before you put on your skates to check that the toe stop is nice and secure. You'll notice that this toe stop is flatter than the previous one. This allows a little bit more maneuverability when you're skating. It's basically a matter of personal preference. Once you're able to stop confidently in a number of ways, you may decide to exchange your toe stop for a jam plug. This allows you a lot more maneuverability on your skates. These are especially good for rhythm or dance skating styles. Generally speaking, these tend to be used by more experienced skaters. This one is called a mini stopper made by Rowline. It has a more rubbery consistency, so behaves a little bit more like a toe stop than your typical jam plug, which is less grippy. It comes with a handy case and is pre-lubricated. It's also a good idea to have some spare wheels in case one needs replacing. In the early stages, it's good to stick with softer wheels to enable a smoother and more comfortable roll. These ones light up in the dark and are great for nighttime skating. Also, you'll want some spare bushings for your trucks. The level of hardness does vary, so check the label before you buy. Generally speaking, softer bushings are most ideal for good cushioning. You'll need extra wheel bearings, bolts and washers. Some people like to fit spacers between their bearings, but your wheels will function perfectly well without them. It's also good to have a spare pair of laces, and these come in a variety of colours and patterns. You might like to add a pair of insoles to your skates for a more comfortable experience. A good skate bag with lots of pockets is also really handy. You should also aim to keep a few essential tools with you when you skate. Spare bolts, bearings, wheel, and a tool to adjust your toe stop if you use one. Also keep a hex tool in your skate bag to change or adjust your wheels, as you may need to do so unexpectedly. A soft cloth can also come in handy on wet days. I use this handy travel case as it comes with shoulder straps as well as being able to be wheeled. Hopefully you found this video useful. Check out part 2 for how to maintain your skate wheels.